Guys, I did it. I cracked the code. This is exactly how to get Hellshire Festival. One of the markers of really good festival, and to me, in my opinion, the best festival in Jamaica is Hellshire Festival. It's fluffy and crispy and airy in the center, and to achieve that, you must develop the gluten, as I said before. So one way we can tell is when I finish my dough, you notice how shiny and springy it looks, and when I touch it, it just pops back up. I just really want a nice, elastic, well-kneaded dough so that when we fry it just puffs up nicely and it's going to be pillowy and soft and crunchy and goes perfectly with your fried fish. Oh my, can it get any better than that, people? Can it get any better than this? You're gonna just wait and see. The first secret to getting your festival to be fluffy is in the ratio of the wheat flour to the cornmeal. The ingredients for a festival are pretty simple. As you can see here, I have flour, cornmeal, sugar, salt, and I add a few spices to make my festival taste mildly aromatic and floral. The second secret is in the kneading technique, which I'll show you next, so stick around for that. I'm using my mixer, but you can use your hands to knead your dough. Just keep in mind it will take double the time. We start by adding half of the water along with the vanilla and mixing on a slow speed to bring the dough together. The second secret is that you must develop the gluten in the flour and then rest your dough. The mixer significantly speeds up the gluten development process. Add the remaining water and let it knead for 10 minutes. If your dough is too sticky, just add a little bit more flour. If it's too dry, add a little bit more water. You're going to see exactly how it should look in a few seconds. This is the exact consistency we're looking for. My festival dough has kneaded for 10 minutes and it looks great. In addition to the kneading, we're going to have to let the dough rest for about 20 to 30 minutes, even an hour if you have time. Just let all of that elasticity relax so that when we fry, it can puff up easily. What I'm doing here is oiling my hands a little bit to prevent the dough from sticking. Then I'm gonna be rolling and flattening the mix with my fingers to get that iconic log-shaped look. This is exactly what you want to see, the rising and puffing up of your festival. Big air pockets indicate nice fluffiness. Look at that, it's almost gonna bust open. All of that air pocket in there, fluffy like a pillow. I could sleep on it. You wanna feel it? This is like a 10 out of 10. Like instead of going Hellshire 10 times for the month, you can go like 5 times for the month now because you can make this at home and you won't miss a beat. Guys, make sure you share this with everybody you know that loves fish and festival. This would be the best birthday gift ever. I don't know what else to say, guys. Just try the recipe. It's perfect. 10 out of 10. Goodbye.